Is your car seat tipping sideways when you install it with the vehicle seatbelt? Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a child passenger safety technician, and here are some tips for reducing that tilt when you install with the vehicle seatbelt. We do see this a lot with lighter weight car seats, but there are some techniques you can use when you tighten that seatbelt to prevent that tip. Usually when we see that sideways tilt, the person has pulled up really hard on the shoulder belt over here in an effort to tighten the seatbelt. And a tight seatbelt is good. We want less than an inch of movement side to side and front to back at the belt path where the seatbelt goes through it. But here's the technique for tightening that belt without getting a tilt to your car seat. The goal with both of these techniques is to keep the lap portion of the seatbelt evenly snug across the belt path and pull that tight evenly before feeding the shoulder belt up into the retractor. So I have buckled my seatbelt in through the belt path. I'm going to lock it, pulling it all the way out, listen for the ratchet. Then to tighten it, instead of just pulling up on this shoulder belt, I'm going to let some of it feed back, but then I'm going to grab it down here by the belt path, put that compression down, and pull across horizontally. I'm even almost pulling it a little bit of a downward angle. So I'm tightening that lap portion evenly and then gently feeding it back up. I'm not grabbing on the shoulder belt and yanking it straight upward. Check for movement, non-dominant hand at the belt path, and the force of a firm handshake. This is securely installed. So tip number 1 is pull horizontally, then feed up. Tip number 2 is to pull from inside the belt path. So pull the padding back around the armrests and find the shoulder portion of the belt. Make sure you lock it if that's the way your car works. Then pull down here where it is coming into the seat. Put the compression down, pull the shoulder portion, hold it tight here, then bring the slack to the outside and feed it gently back up. Gently being the key word. This is still a secure installation. I still have less than an inch of movement, but I did not pull up on the shoulder belt to do it. And now look at that nice, straight, securely installed car seat. So pull horizontally from the outside of the seat or pull from inside the belt path, but don't just pull up really hard on the shoulder belt when you install your car seat to prevent that tilt. I hope that helps somebody out today. What questions do you have?